Hi, welcome to my eMath 1 Excel assignment. Before we start, let's look at the value of A, B, and C. So at G4, it represents A, at I4, it represents B, and at K4, it represents C. Looking at question 4a, told to find the x-intercept of the quadratic y is equals to 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. To find the 2x-intercept, we use the quadratic formula y is equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The plus minus sign symbol represents two separate calculations, one being positive and the other being negative. So for the first x-intercept, I will have the equation minus b plus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And for the second x equation, I will have minus b minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Question B, we are told to change the standard form to a vertex form. At the first box, we have a, which represents 2, and at the second box, we have the formula b over 2a, which gives us 0.75. And at the third box, we have the formula c minus b squared over 4a, which gives us minus 2.125. Let's look at question 5a. It's asking us to input the value of a, b, and c by trial and error to obtain the target curve, representing the blue line. And I have obtained the value of 0 for a, 0.257, b, 0.78, and for c, minus 4.6. The method to improve on the trial and error is by using simultaneous equation. So I will take 3x value and putting it into the equation to find the exact value of a, b, and c. C being the y-intercept as well. So first, I will put the x as 0, which gives me the y-intercept of minus 4.645. I'll take another random x value, such as 1, which gives me minus 3.606, and negative 1, which gives me minus 5.17 for the y value. I will then use these values to form two equations using the quadratic equation. The first equation will be y equals to a plus b plus c when we sub x as 1. And the second equation would be y is equals to a minus b plus c when we sub x as negative 1. We also know the value of c being minus 4.645, and we can sum it into the equations. Now we can find a and b using simultaneous equation, which gives us a as 0.257, b as 0.782, and c as minus 4.645. Thank you for listening.